DSST is on a journey to provide STEM opportunities for students that are connected to the real world. Every student who is interested in science, technology, engineering, math, art, we bring all of those into play so that students feel included and they get a taste of what real-world projects and problems are about.
STEM, by its nature, is interdisciplinary, and CubeSat really requires that students blur the boundaries between the components of STEM.
A CubeSat is a student-built satellite that it's literally a cube, and it has tons of components in it that act like a satellite. We will be sending this up into the air, and it will be able to measure altitude, temperature, gas, and humidity.
The students have carte blanche to come up with custom experiments, so it could run the gamut of anything from biology-related information to radiation to anything you can dream of, really.
My group's project specifically, we're sending up a cricket with it, so it's trying to measure how biological samples get affected by different altitudes and the temperature changing.
My specific CubeSat project is about radiation. I built a Geiger counter, and we're going to send that into the stratosphere in order to measure ionizing radiation, which is charged particles. That's definitely exciting because then we'll be able to learn what type of radiation gets to us humans down on the ground and at what level is the most intense. And then with that information, we can learn how to take measures to protect ourselves.
I think it's different. I think it's cutting edge, and I think it's special. You know, this isn't something every kid has the opportunity to do, but if you go to DSST, you do. It fosters a sense of independence and kind of pride in your work. It's really theirs to own, the success and the failure. Either way, it's theirs to own.
Each student has their area of ownership, and to see how they are so engaged in their projects is very rewarding. You don't get that from students who are sitting typically in a classroom for an hour and listening to lectures.
I love hands-on learning. I love it because it allows us to grow in skills and learn new skills, and also it opens things in our minds that help us realize what we want to do later in life. My favorite part of working on the CubeSat is soldering. I just find it so satisfying. I never thought I would love melting metals together this much.
My students, they're in the times of their lives when they are starting to apply for college and for scholarships. And to be able to say that they built a satellite and sent it into the stratosphere, that is something that 0.0001% of students can say that they did. And we've already seen an impact on students. We've already seen this CubeSat experience having given them a foot in the door in prestigious universities and scholarship opportunities. And this is a transformative experience that I hope to share with all of my students and with students across DSST in the future.